Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's video I'm gonna walk you through how to fix login error issues on Audible app on a device. So you might be facing many kinds of issues while logging in app Audible. So to fix those issues, this video is made for you. So first thing, you need to ensure that your device is highly connected to a very strong and stable internet connection so that you do not face any kind of internet issues while logging. Secondly, there might be various updates on any kinds of apps. So to update app, you need to simply go to the app store, or if you are an Android user, you can simply go to your Play Store and update your app. So at the very bottom right, there is the option search. After entering the option search, you can simply enter the app which you are in need of, Audible. So after searching the app Audible Audio Entertainment, you can see the app over here. There is any kinds of updates available in this app. You need to simply update your app, or if not, and also to fix errors, you need to simply go to your settings on your device, and after that you need to scroll it up and you can see the option general, and after clicking on the general, you need to click on the option iPhone storage and you need to search the app, and after searching the app, you need to simply click on the option Audible, and as you can see the option offload app, you need to click on the option offload app which is highlighted in color blue, and you have to confirm to offload app, and there will be the option reinstall app, and you also need to click on the option reinstall app, and after that your app will be reinstalled very soon on your device. And this is how you can also fix your login error issues while on app in your device. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.